Hi, in this video I want to show you how to use Yaml to PDF app, and this is my website. I will leave link on this site in the description. To find app I can type in search Yaml to PDF, and here it is. I click on a page, double click on the download button to start the loading process. Wait until archive with app will be downloaded. Then click on downloaded archive. Archive will be open, and I'll double click on MSI inside archive. Then click on more info. I'm getting this screen because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes here and click on finish. Now app has been installed on my computer and I have a shortcut on my desktop, so I can close this now and minimize this and double click on shortcut to launch the app. Now conversion is like 3 steps process, and first step 1, we have to select input file. Click on select input file to select my YAML file, and I'll click on this one and click on next step. Here I can select size of the document, PDF document. I think I can select like A4. If I have, so the thing is, if I have a lot of columns here, I'll probably select larger documents and landscapes, so they all will be on same document and not jammed. So this is what I will do. I will select all, click on next. So A4 landscape is okay. Click on next step and click on run conversion. And here I have to specify name of the file and location. It's fine, like out folder, and save it into out folder. This name is okay. I'll just click on save. Now the document we converted, I can go and find it. This is states YAML, right? I can if I can open with, and I can search for YAML viewer if I have one. Let's click on another app. This is my another app. I have so if I go to C program file 686 Whiterock software, and then YAML viewer. So this is my another app. What it's doing is it can show the contents of YAML file, and what I want to show you is what is inside the YAML file. So you can see that this YAML file we converted to PDF contains states name, code region, and source name. So this app show what inside the YAML file. It's free app. I will leave link on this app into description too. I can also export it into different format if I want. And yep, so that's it. I just want to show you what was in this YAML file. Now let's go and see our PDF file. So this one is document out, this one PDF. Let's open it. Yeah, and we can see that there is a table in PDF file with all data from YAML shown in a table basically, and everything. Yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.